Hi everyone, in front of me is Sony SRSXB13 speaker, and today I will show you how to download Sony Support app and search for your speaker. Let's get started. First we have to open Play Store app and click search. In the search tab we have to search for Sony Support. Now if we see support by Sony Corporation, we have to click install. Now we have to wait a few moments. Now as you can see, our app is installed. We have to click open. Select our country or region and click I agree. Now we have to agree to privacy policy. Click continue and start. Now we don't have to allow. Click OK. Click plus and search for our model. Our model is SRSXB13. As you can see, it's over there. We have to click on it. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos, and hope it helps. Goodbye.